Hey everybody, it's Camry back at again with another video, and today I got a squishy package. Only one because I ordered it off from Amazon and it's from another place, so it came in before all the others, but I opened it because I was too excited. It's my mango. It's airy. Doesn't smell that good, but this could be short videos, but my mom just walked out my door, or walked by my door. It's still rising. I got one. I got a lot from China, so this must be came from other city or something like that. That's a defect, but who cares about defects? I got a what are they called? The Rams, the sheet? No, bubble sheet? I don't know. So go check out my friend's YouTube channel. Her name is Kitty Sparkles Glitter. She does a lot of squishy and slime videos. So go to Cotton Candy CC. She's my friend too. So who else? Purple Banana 25. So kawaii. And that's it for the video. So bye guys.